The Morelo Grand Empire 26T is a luxury motorhome model from Morelo, a renowned manufacturer of first-class motorhomes. It is built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros 2553L chassis and powered by a 12.8-liter engine that delivers 390 kilowatts or 530 HP. This model complies with the Euro 6e emission class. With a gross vehicle weight rating of 26,000 kilograms and a fuel tank capacity of 500 liters, it is designed for long journeys. The Grand Empire offers a generous living area, luxurious bedroom with ample space for relaxation and entertainment. Advanced amenities. It likely comes equipped with a full kitchen, bathroom, entertainment system, and other amenities expected in a high-end motorhome, making it a home away from home on the road. Garage. Some configurations include a large garage that can house a small car or other recreational gear. The Ecocapsule is a mobile, egg-shaped dwelling that promises self-sustainable living off the grid. The Ecocapsule is powered primarily by solar panels and a wind turbine, allowing it to generate enough energy to meet its needs in most climates. Compact living space. The Ecocapsule offers a surprisingly spacious interior for its size, accommodating 1 or 2 people comfortably. It includes sleeping areas, a workspace, and a kitchenette. Mobility. While not intended for high-speed travel, the Ecocapsule can be towed by a vehicle and placed in various locations. Water collection and filtration. It features a rainwater collection system and filtration unit, providing a sustainable source of clean drinking water. The Ecocapsule is an innovative concept that pushes the boundaries of sustainable living. Its self-sufficiency and mobility make it an intriguing option for eco-conscious adventurers and researchers. The new CMC CARAVAN ELYSE 120 SQM is a luxurious, spacious motorhome designed for those who demand ultimate comfort and living space on the road. The defining characteristic is its impressive size, boasting a living area of a staggering 120 square meters, approximately 1292 square feet. This provides ample room for a truly residential living experience on wheels. Luxury interior. Expect high-quality finishes, modern appliances, and comfortable furniture throughout the interior. It likely features separate living areas, bedrooms, bathrooms, and potentially even a kitchen or kitchenette. Advanced amenities. Some high-end motorhomes come equipped with features like retractable awnings, entertainment systems, fireplaces, smart home technology, and even heated floors. The Adria Astella 704 HP is a luxury caravan model from Adria Mobile, a leading European caravan manufacturer. This model is part of the Astella line, which is designed to provide a new luxury experience. The Astella offers a unique blend of home-like comfort and elegance, with large, free-flowing spaces and touches of luxury. It features a luxurious, contemporary interior design with great living spaces, a stylish and functional kitchen with Korean worktops and quality appliances, a private, luxurious home-style bedroom with innovative controllable lighting, and a bed with comfortable Octasprings mattresses, a spacious, ergonomically designed bathroom with a large separate shower and quality fittings, optimized interior storage throughout, and exclusive LED contour lighting outside, zonal, spot, and LED lighting. Inside, including movable track lighting in the living areas. The Astella is designed to be both a luxury caravan that you can tow like a regular caravan and a mobile home that you can set up like a static mobile home. The Liberty Coach Showcase is an event where Liberty Coach, a renowned manufacturer of custom luxury motor coaches, displays their latest models. The showcase includes a variety of features and clips focusing on the company, their customers, and, of course, their coaches. It's a great opportunity to see the craftsmanship and luxury that Liberty Coach offers. One of the highlights of the showcase is the unveiling of new models. For instance, the 2024 models like the Cerato B Triple Slide Edition and the Veneto Quad Slide Edition were featured in the showcase. The showcase also includes various events such as dinners, dances, and family cookouts. The 18-wheeler Shell Bootleggers is a renowned tractor pulling team known for their incredibly decorated and powerful pulling trucks. They are sponsored by Shell and are a major attraction in the world of tractor pulling. The Shell Bootleggers are known for their two pro stock tractors, American Dream and Just Chillin'. These state-of-the-art machines are specifically designed for competition and have won numerous titles over the years. But what really sets the Shell Bootleggers apart is their focus on luxury. They are famous for having some of the most comfortable and customized sleeper cabs in the sport. These sleeper cabs are like apartments on wheels and feature amenities like plush leather seating, entertainment systems, and even custom appliances. SCAINA Krismar Motorhome is a luxurious motorhome built on a SCAINA chassis by Krismar, a Belgian company known for its expertise in building custom high-end vehicles. They typically cater to the equestrian community, building horse trucks, but their clientele has expanded to include those looking for luxurious motorhomes. High-end finishes: you can expect top-of-the-line materials and finishes throughout the interior of the motorhome. This could include things like leather upholstery, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Spacious living area: these motorhomes are designed to provide plenty of space for you to relax and enjoy your travels. They typically have a large living area, a well-equipped kitchen, and multiple bedrooms. The SCAINA Krismar Motorhome is a luxurious and customizable option for those who are looking for the ultimate in comfort and convenience on the road. The Tesla semi-truck itself isn't currently available as a motorhome, but the idea has captured the imagination of many. With a reported range of over 500 miles on a single charge with a full load, a Tesla semi-motorhome could potentially travel vast distances between charging stations. This would be a major advantage over most electric RVs currently available, which typically have a much shorter range. Spacious interior: the size of the Tesla semi-cabin, designed for a single driver, could be significantly expanded in a motorhome conversion to create a luxurious living space. One of luxury bedroom, large-sized bathroom, and fully equipped kitchen. Significant modifications would be required to the base structure and likely require regulatory approval. Weight management: while lighter than a fully loaded cargo trailer, a motorhome conversion would still add considerable weight. This could impact the overall range compared to the standard Tesla Semi. Charging infrastructure: while the range is impressive, readily available charging stations for such a large vehicle might be an issue on longer journeys. The Tesla Semi Motorhome is an exciting concept with the potential to revolutionize RV travel. The Krismar Exclusive XL is the top-of-the-line offering in Krismar's custom-built horse trucks, designed to be the ultimate in luxury and functionality for horse transportation. Krismar allows you to personalize nearly every aspect of the truck, from the chassis selection, Scania S, Volvo FH, Mercedes GS, to the layout, materials, and finishing touches. The defining feature of this model is the extended living area thanks to the XL cabin. This translates to ample space for relaxing, dining, or even working while traveling to competitions or equestrian events. Since the Krismar Exclusive XL is entirely custom-built, Krismar doesn't disclose pricing publicly. However, considering the level of customization, high-end features, and spacious design, expect these horse trucks to cost several $100,000 or even more. Anderson Mobile Estates is known for building high-end luxury RVs. These custom-built RVs feature all the amenities of a luxury home, including full kitchens, bathrooms, living rooms, and bedrooms. Rarely will you catch any celebrities driving about in an everyday, boring commuter car. More often than not, the actors and performers of the world much prefer either supercars or luxury cars, or in many cases, a pretty cool collection that comprises a bit of everything. The Queen of Christmas clearly doesn't like to skimp on her own comfort, as this $1.8 million trailer will prove. Nicknamed the skyscraper on wheels, this epic home on wheels extends upwards and outwards, revealing a monster double-decker home for the singer to enjoy total comfort in when out on the road.